Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about fox. Foxes are small to medium-sized mammals that belong to the dog family. They are known for their bushy tails and pointed ears. Foxes are found all over the world, in various habitats such as forests, grasslands, mountains, and even urban areas. There are different types of foxes, such as the red fox, Arctic fox, and fennec fox. The red fox is the most widespread and adaptable species. They are typically reddish-brown with white markings on the face, throat, and belly. Foxes are omnivores, which means they eat both animals and plants. They hunt small animals like mice, rabbits, and birds, but they also eat fruits, berries, and insects. Foxes are known for their cleverness and agility, which helps them catch prey and escape from predators. In terms of behavior, foxes are solitary animals and usually hunt alone, except during the mating season or when raising young. They are mostly active at night, which makes them nocturnal animals. Foxes are also known for their ability to adapt to changing environments, which has helped them survive in different parts of the world. Overall, foxes are fascinating creatures known for their intelligence, adaptability, and distinctive appearance. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Please subscribe.